everyone, it's Miss Allison and I hope you're having a fantastic day. So let's take a look at your biography section of your project and see what you need to do. First, we're going to scroll and make some observations. Alright, and that's it for this section. So now you have everything you need there. Let's talk about the specifics. Our goal is to include information about our person that we have selected in order to give our reader or our viewer an idea of who this person was. So for instance, we need to know where they are from, things about their family, any significant events that happened to them. This is a really strong example here. We obviously know his story because we read Knight, and it shows just a little bit of background information that's going to help us understand how and why he impacted history. So as you're looking at this information, as you're studying these people, you can piece together things from different sources. Remember that we're trying to keep it short and sweet, so just enough here, right? We're kind of Goldilocks it, right? We want it to be just right. You don't have to tell us their entire life story, right? Some people maybe even have that published about them that you're studying, but also we need more than one sentence. So give us just enough here. This is a great model, an example to use as you're writing to help us. I also have some multimedia elements here that are going to help me with my display aspect as well as just making it interactive. So we got a picture as well as a quick slides presentation that I put together, or this person put together, to go ahead and inform us a little bit more about the author. This could be something that you have found online. This could be something that you put together yourself, but it just gives a little bit more detail about that person's life and accomplishments, okay? So that's what's going to look like on your template. You have a spot for both of these things to pop up here, as well as just a space for the biography. All right, so I hope that is helpful. There's a template on your direction sheet that can help you as well. And as always, let us know if you have any questions.